always say you got this. But who got you? You the one they call when the world fall down, the shoulder, the calm, the safest sound. You show up with strength when the room's full of fear, but when you need help, ain't nobody near. You smile through storms, stay quiet through pain, never let them see you buckle under the strain. You laugh when your chest heavy, tears on mute, giving life to everybody, but who waters you? Who checks on the strong ones? The ones that smile when they breaking apart. Who hears the tears that fall in the dark? Who hugs the backbone of the home? The ones who heal but feel alone. Strong don't mean unshaken, it means we mastered faking. Check on us, we tired too. Behind the strength, we human too. You pour out peace like an endless cup, even when your own world's rough enough. You pray for them, show love on time, but no one notices you're losing your mind. You help them heal, help them cope, speak life when you can't find hope. But who sits with you when the silence screams, when you're drowning slow in broken dreams? To the man who's tired but scared to say it, to the woman who loved but don't feel it reciprocated, to the kid who had to grow up too fast, to the one whose peace never seems to last. This world expects so much from you, but forgets to ask if you're good too. You don't always have to be the flame, you're allowed to fall, to feel, to name your pain. So if you're tired, let go tonight. You don't gotta hold the light. I see you, I really do. And if no one's asked, how are you? Who checks on the strong ones? Who sees the weight you silently lift? You give the world your heart and hands, but you deserve love, not just demands. So here's your moment, breathe, release. Let the tears fall, let your soul find peace. You ain't a burden, you ain't too much. Even warriors need a healing touch. You're not alone, even if it feels that way. You matter more than what you give away. So rest your heart, take off the crown. You don't have to carry everyone now. For you, the strong ones rule.
This dance is called This One Is For You, choreographed by Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level nightclub 2-step. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, step right foot back, sweep your left, behind side. Step left foot forward, hit your right foot across your body. Run around, quarter turn to your right, right foot forward, 1/8 right, left foot forward, facing 130. 1/8 right, right foot forward, sweep your left, facing 3, cross side. 1/8 left, left foot back, sweep your right, behind, 1/8 left, left foot side. Now you're facing 12 o'clock. Section 2, 1/8 to your left to 10:30, right foot, rock forward, recover, 3/8 to your right, right foot forward, facing 3, quarter turn to your right to 6 o'clock into basic, left foot, side, behind cross. 3/4 left, spiral turn. Step right foot side, lift your left leg, make a quarter turn to your left, Continue half turn left, step left foot forward facing 9. Half turn left, right foot back facing 3. Left foot, rock back, recover. Half turn right, stepping back facing 9 o'clock. Section 3. Quarter turn to your right to 12 o'clock. Right foot, side rock, pull your right hand across your face. Palm facing forward, fingers apart. 1/8 left, recover. And raise your right arm up and forward, palm facing up. Full turn back, half turn right forward, half turn right back, right foot, rock back. Now you're facing 10:30. Round forward, left, right, left, hit your right knee and raise both hands up. Clench both feet. Round back, right, left, right, sweep your left and lower your hands. Last section, weave, behind, side, cross, sweep your right, weave, cross, side, behind, sweep your left. Left foot behind, 1/8 left, side, cross, facing 9. Recover, quarter turn left, forward, facing 6. Right foot forward, pivot half turn to your left. Now you're back to 12 o'clock. To start a new wall, make another half turn to your left. 1. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.